How to use Assistant menu on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to enable and customize the floating Assistant menu for quick access to common functions on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Following that, tap on Interaction and Dexterity. Now, look for Assistant menu in the list. Moving forward, tap on Assistant menu to access its settings. Toggle on the switch at the top to enable the Assistant menu. A floating circular icon will appear on your screen immediately. Tap on the floating icon to open the Assistant menu. Afterwards, you'll see quick shortcuts like Screenshot, Volume, Lock Screen, and more. Tap on any option to use that function instantly. The menu provides one-tap access to commonly used features. To customize what appears in the menu, go back to Assistant Menu Settings. Tap on the gear icon or Customize menu option. You can add or remove shortcuts based on your preferences. Toggle on the functions you want to appear in the menu. Toggle off any shortcuts you don't need. To move the floating icon, simply drag it to any edge of your screen. The Assistant menu will stay accessible from wherever you place it. You can disable it anytime by going back to Accessibility settings and toggling it off. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you use Assistant menu on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.